Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by diagnosing the problem. Open the battery page and note health and cycle count so you know if the cell itself is failing. Next, scan usage and pick the top 3 apps that consume the most power. This tells you where to focus. Once done, enable low power mode and cut screen brightness to around 50% and switch off always-on features. These immediate steps reduce drain while you prepare the deeper fixes. Now you tackle settings and apps. Disable background refresh for non-essential applications and switch push to manual where possible, because background activity silently chews battery. Then, remove or restrict any high drain apps, clear their cache, or offload them to preserve data. If an app is misbehaving, reinstall it. Also, toggle location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi scanning off when idle. Try airplane mode briefly to confirm whether radios are the main culprit, which helps isolate the source of drain. Finish with system-level fixes. Update your operating system and all apps because updates frequently patch power leaks. Calibrate the battery by charging fully, then discharging to near empty, and charging uninterrupted to 100% once. This corrects reporting errors. If problems persist, reset settings or boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the cause. And finally, if diagnostic numbers show poor health or high cycle count, plan for a battery replacement, which is often the definitive solution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.